Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. Here in this time I'd like to show you how to use the HLookUp particularly on the Microsoft Excel, and here I'm still using the Microsoft Excel of 2019. And if you ever watch our video tutorial before that how to use the VLOOKUP. So the simple explanation how to use that is that a VLOOKUP is being used when you would like to search for the data that is being visualized by each column or being visualized vertically. As you can see here, the every data is shown here by this each column. And HLookUp, as you can see, this is the opposite. So the data for the HLookUp is when the condition of the data is being visualized horizontally. As you can see here, the teacher's name is placed in this row, the row 03, and the class date is being shown in the next row. And let's say if you would like to searching for the data about the teacher Novita here, and you would like to know about the level of group class that she is handling. So by this HLookUp will help you to search for that data. Here I'll show you the formula, guys. So in this cell of B12, I will type the equal and type HLookUp. Give it a double click until the open parenthesis is shown there. And after that, for this time or for this VLOOKUP, there is the lookup value, but it is not exists here, but we can do the alternative by typing the primary key. Then I will type, don't forget to give the open quotes, and I will type Novita and close it the quotes again. And after that, give it a comma. Next, drag the data from this cell A3 until the cell of H8. For the simplest way is give it a combination with Control, Shift, down, and right. And don't forget to lock it up with the F4 in your keyboard. After that, since we would like to know about the level, then we should know the position of the row of level. As you can see here, the level row is being placed in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the fifth row after the teacher's name. Then we will type 5. And after that, we will close it with the false or exact match and wrap it up with the close parentheses and enter. There you go. This is the level that being handled by the teacher Novita, which is the young caterpillar prey A1.4. And what if we would like to know the level that being handled by teacher Rose? Actually, you can drag it down a little bit, but the results still be similar. Then you need to do the modification. You need to replace this primary key to become Rose and enter. There you go. This is the final look if you already changed this primary key or the lookup value. That's all, guys. Please don't forget to practice it by yourself and let us know if this formula also worked for you. And is there any question or request or feedback for this video? Please don't be hesitate to put it on a comment down below. And also don't forget to follow or subscribe and also Visit our channel to know more about the another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.